the tutorial for Freebird by Lynyrd Skynyrd. The third finger goes on the third fret of the E string like this, and then the thumb plucks the low E. Then the index will pluck the open D. Then the middle and ring finger will pluck the G and the B strings open together like that. And then the index comes back to the D. 1 and 2 and I'm counting eighth notes throughout this whole chord progression. 1 and 2 and then. So I just finished playing the open D now with my index. Now my thumb is gonna pluck the open D. So it's like this. 1 and 2 and 3. Then D major shape. First finger, second fret G string, third finger, third fret B string, middle finger, second fret E string. So thumb on D, index on the G, middle and ring on B and E strings like this, together, back to index on the G. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we have an E minor shape without, we don't need the whole E minor, all we need is open E, second finger, second fret D string, open G and open B like that. So thumb on E, index finger plucks the D string, I'm holding down the second fret of the D, then I'm plucking the G and the B with my middle and ring finger like this, then back to index on D. We get a whole measure of that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and all together 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then F major shape. First finger, first fret E string, third finger, third fret A string, pinky, third fret D string, middle finger, second fret G string. And you don't have to think about this as a bar chord. You can just, all we need are these bottom four strings like this. Thumb on E, index on A, ring and middle on D and G. 1 and 2 and then C major, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So for the C chord, third finger, third fret A string, middle finger, second fret D string, open G, first finger, first fret B string. My thumb plucks the A, index plucks the D, middle and ring pluck the G and B. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we close it out with a D major shape like this. Like that. Thumb on D, index on G, middle and ring on B and E, index on G. A whole measure of that. This whole progression is only 4 measures. Here's how it sounds.